Hi, yeah, my name's Adam Johnson. This is my Extreme Flight 104 Laser. It's running a GP123 with Savox servos all around, and welcome to the Freestyle Masters 2022.
Doesn't matter what I say over this mic in the next few minutes. Andy will tell me I've put it wrong. How about that, everybody? Little surprise at the end there. So now the big one. Final of the fixed wing. I'm not going to say the main competition because I got told off for that. That's the final for the fixed wing competition. Obviously we'll do the runner-up first. So, second place, it goes to Mr. Josh Eaton. Well done, Josh. So of course our final position for the competition. I don't know which one's smiling more. I'm looking at the lineup. Of course our winner this year and the winner of the Freestyle Masters 2022. Again, we had a little bit of a gap. Goes to the one and only Adam Johnson. Speech! Speech! We want a speech! We want a speech!
You don't want scousers into this microphone.
Well, here we go.
It's stuck with you.
And that's it, everyone. That is the end of our competition for 2022. Obviously, thanks for everybody for being here. Thanks to Andy Ellison for running the competition, to all the competitors, to Manny and Team of Minster for letting us be here again, and to all the sponsors. And we'll see you again next year. Don't worry about it. Andy will be planning it on the evening in the caravan.
Retired, isn't it?
No, that's it. We're all done. Andy doesn't want to say anything. We said enough this weekend.
I have said enough. Retiring.